I want to talk about five pillars that you have to do really well when leading a software team effectively. And these are the five pillars of the clear measure way, and they are: you have to create clarity, you have to establish quality, you have to achieve stability, you have to then increase speed constantly, and you have to optimize the team constantly. And you need to keep on evaluating these five and strengthening these five. And you have to start with clarity. Clarity is an alignment on what strategy we're going after, how we're going to accomplish that strategy, and drive that down to every member of the software organization. Because again, if you have a game of telephone, or if you have a break in communication, a break in alignment, then everyone's not pulling in the same direction. But I want to camp out for for the next portion of this webinar. I want to camp out on establishing quality, because that can sink a software organization. It can absolutely sink a software organization, and you need a really clear plan for how you are going to establish quality with every software project you're running, every software system that you have, and protect quality. You have to establish it and you have to maintain it and protect it. Because once you start to lose quality, that is a very, very slippery slope, and it just compounds and snowballs and gets worse and worse and worse. And then you're in a situation where I mean, it's a monumental effort to recover. So, so after creating clarity on what we're doing and why we're doing it and where the finish line is and what direction we need to go, the next step is to establish quality and protect it. So W. Edwards Deming was instrumental in the quality movement in manufacturing, and one of his famous quotes is, "If you can't describe your plan, you don't know what you're doing." And I like his blunt nature. He also has a Deming chain reaction, and this is part of this is directly out of his book, Out of the Crisis. And um, it starts with doing something to improve quality. And again, this came from manufacturing, but it's the same with software engineering. You do something to improve quality, and then costs decrease because of less rework, fewer mistakes, and then productivity improves because all of the team's capacity is going towards pushing the project forward instead of rework and fixing mistakes. And so your productivity improves. Then good things happen in your business. You capture more market share, maybe lower price, you can do more things. And then as a result, your company stays in business, and your company stays in business and then provides more jobs, and then you can start the chain reaction over again. You can figure out something to improve quality yet again, and do this chain reaction. Now I want to talk about not the um not this cycle, but a vicious cycle that is the opposite, that we are guarding against. And if we don't intentionally guard against it, it will eat our lunch as software leaders.